Greetings of the day, students. Today I will teach you chapter 9, the case of the explorer's money. Explorer means class investigator. Okay, so this is a story of a boy who was very intelligent. He has lots of knowledge of every field and every subject. The writer of this story is Ronald J. Subol. He was a very famous writer. So I am going to start chapter. Class, here is a story about a young boy who helped his father, who is a policeman. So we will read a story who will help his father to find out the money of a boy, of a man. Okay, so he is a policeman to solve the case that has been worrying him, and his father want to solve a case, so he was very worried about it. Though the boy's name is Leroy Brown, he is called Encyclopedia Brown by his friend, and his friend called him Encyclopedia, but his name is Leroy Brown. Find out why he is known as Encyclopedia Brown. Students, you know Encyclopedia Brown, his friends called him because he has many knowledge about all the subjects, all the field, and about all the things. So all friends called him Encyclopedia. You haven't touched your breakfast, dear, said Mrs. Brown. Mrs. Brown said to his husband, "Why you have not touching your breakfast? It's something wrong." "I am not hungry," replied Chief Brown. Chief Brown replied to his wife that "I am not hungry, so I am not touching breakfast. I am worried." Okay, about a case, asked Encyclopedia. So Encyclopedia asked about a case. You are worried about a case. That was not really his name, but Encyclopedia is not his real name. His real name is Leroy Brown. He was called Encyclopedia, but everyone called him Encyclopedia because he knew almost everything about anything. So all the peoples of all the peoples of there called him Encyclopedia. Even he ran a detective agency also. Chief Walker of Glen City want me to help him. The police of Glen City. Chief Walker is the policeman of Glen City and wants the help of him to recover $50,000, said Chief Brown. Rob a bank, Dad? So his son asked a question. Wow, someone has robbed a bank. So his father replied, "No, the money belonged to the famous explorer Sir Cameron Whitehead." So they are giving reply, this is not related to bank, this is the money of a famous explorer Sir Cameron Whitehead. Explorer means, I have told you, investigator. So Sir Cameron Whitehead was a investigator. Okay, so he is telling to his son that we are doing a case that is related to Mr. Cameron Whitehead, who died last month, and he has died last month. It was stolen last month while he lay sick and dying, and the money has stolen last month. The Genesee police haven't found a clue, and Glen City police does not have any clue to find about the thief. Chief Brown took a deep breath. After it, Chief Brown take deep breath. Chief Walker think I can work a miracle. Chief Walker is the policeman of Glen City. He thought Encyclopedia's father can do something magical in this case. He accept me to capture the thief, and Chief Walker want to capture a thief by me. "Why can't you ask Mrs. Brown? You have a helper." Mrs. Brown asked to her husband, you want to have a helper? Chief Brown asked, what you want to help, Leroy? Go with you, boy, would I, exclaim Encyclopedia. So they are talking about their son. Chief Brown went over the case during the half-hour drive to Glen City. Then after Chief Brown went to Glen City by half-hour, he is taking half-hour, the $50,000 has been stolen. So $50,000 has been stolen by a thief from a case in the library of the explorer's home. The police believed the thief had hidden the money somewhere in or around the house. So police is thought that thief has stolen money and kept in the house and the round of the house. The police is thinking about this. Expecting to come back for it later, the reason for this belief was simple. He was thinking that reason will be very simple. Okay. So, anyone could enter Sir Cameron's house. He said to his son that anyone can enter in Sir Cameron's house, but no one, including the servants, could leave the guards without being searched by guards. Sir Cameron liked visitors, said Chief Brown. Chief Brown said to his son that Sir Cameron liked visitors. He even encouraged visitors to add his collection. However, he was afraid that someone might steal part of his famous Arctic collection. Arctic collection means they have some animals of Arctic area and they have a collection of the animals. Okay, here is a state ahead. State means, you can say here in this chapter, this is the meaning of state is a property of a person. So they are talking about a property of Sir Cameron. Okay, and his collection of Arctic animals. Now next para. Encyclopedias saw large brick house and brown lawns. Then encyclopedia see all the things of the house, enclosed by high fence. A stem of people was coming in to take a look at Sir Cameron's collection. Now, many people was coming to see the collection of Sir Cameron's. Sir Cameron's died the day after the left, said Chief Brown. All of his belongings, his house, his furniture and his Arctic collection are being auctioned today. So they are defined. Auction means, you can say, I have something, some material of my house, and after me anyone want to sell it, so this is a auction. Okay, so the boy detective considers the thief's problem. Now the boy is thought about the thief's problem. He could get into the house but would not be able to get out without being searched. So now encyclopedia thought about the thief problem, that thief can theft money but they cannot take out of the house. So after breaking open the safe, where would he hide the money? So he was looking everywhere of the house. He was opening the safe, burying it in the ground would take too long, and someone was sure to see him. Then there was the risk to coming back later to dig up the money. He thought if thief will burying money in the ground, so this is a very difficult task to him to come back again and dig up the money. But so the money has to be found where no one would think of looking. So he thought money will be there nobody will think that it should be there. Okay, he decided he wandered from room to room. So he decided he will search the money room to room. Men and women were examining every stick of furniture, drawers were pulled out. Okay, so everyone was looking the furniture, drawers and everything of the rooms. Cabinet doors were opened in the center of one long room. जो cabinet rooms were open in the center of the house. A lifelike polar bear stood reared upon its hind legs. Now, hind legs. 8 little penguins formed a ring around the bear's feet. And then after he was searching room to room, so he see a room where is a many type of animals, and a polar bear is stand reared. Reared means stand on back leg. Okay, so polar bear is stand on reared, and the 8 little penguins formed a ring around the polar bear's feet. 4 more stuffed animal. Stuffed means you can say many type of material of animals, means many kinds of animals are there lined on wall, and many animals are lined on wall. There was a violin, and now class next page is Arctic fox, a caribou, a walrus and other stuffed animals from the North Pole regions, and lots of the animals had kept there, and they are belonging to North Pole religion. When chief arrived, he was frowning. Frowning means you can say frown. Okay. He was looking like then he was looking very grazing way, and his eyebrows going to up. By this way he is looking all the things. I am afraid is hopeless. He said the Green City police have gone over every inch of the house. He was thinking that Glen City police has been searched all over in the house and the ground, but somehow the thief must have got away with the money. But thief did not keep any money everywhere. The money will be here. He is thinking. So the next para, no, the money is still here. He is thinking that money should be here. Dad, he is talking to his dad. Sad and excited encyclopedia, I think this is what happened. The thief must have waited till the other guests were in. The thief is waiting about the guests. Then the visitor came to see the dying Sir Cameron, and visitors came and see the dying Cameron. He went in with them bearing gifts. While the other visitors were in the bedroom, the thief wanted in the living room. Okay, when many people are in the room and other rooms, but the theft in the living room went on. Encyclopedia. Once alone, he broke open the safe, stole the money and hid it in the, and there was a stern silence. This is a silence of the voice of the encyclopedia, while everyone waited for him to finish the sentence, and everyone was waiting for this what will be added by the encyclopedia. In the what? Okay, in the what, his father asks loudly. His father asks loudly, why in the pigeons finding an appropriate, why, yes, this is the para. In what? His father asks loudly. Encyclopedia's father want to ask question to him why in penguins. He was telling to her son why thief will keep all the money in penguin. Finding an opportunity, he must have stuffed the money into them to take them out later. No one would have suspected anything. But how did you come upon the idea of penguins? So his father asked a question, why, how you can say thief will be keep all the money in the penguins? So why penguins? He is asking a question to encyclopedia. Asks the thief that the habitat of penguin is the Antarctic and not the Arctic. He is telling to his father that encyclopedia's habitat is Antarctic, okay, and penguins are kept in the Arctic area. Means all the animals are from belongings to Arctic, but only the penguins are belonging to Antarctic. And this is the collection of Sir Cambrion, and they will keep all the things according to the habitats. So this is not matching to habitat of penguins. So encyclopedia thought money will be there. Encyclopedia answered, I guess the thief did not know that, and he thought thief did not know about the habitat of penguins. So he kept all the penguins in the Arctic. Sure enough, the money was stuffed in the penguin. It means all the money is kept in penguins. Oh, now he will have to wait and see who come to collect the penguins. So, if you want to know about the thief, so we will wait for the thief, because thief will came here and take the penguins. Now, we then have our thief, thank you, Leroy. And now everyone said thank you to Leroy, because he would not have done this without you. And they said, we cannot find all the things and all the money of Sir Cambrion without helping the Leroy. So everyone saying thank you to Leroy. Good job, son. And his father said, good job, son. Tell us when you would like to join the police force. And his father said to his son that you want to join the police force. Now class, your chapter has been done, and I think you will be understand this chapter, and you can see this video again and again by better understanding. Okay, thank you class.